This is Faraz. Faraz works a 9 to 5 job. His car making noises for a week, but Faraz has no time for the mechanic. Faraz is worried it might break down any day. He wishes for a service that could fix his car at his place while he focuses on work. Faraz finds the perfect service called Kaacib. He books an appointment and the mechanic comes straight to his location while Faraz continues his work. Faraz finally feels at ease, his car feels new, and he saved valuable time. Let us handle it while you focus on what matters. No waiting, no stress. Doorstep Car Mechanic Service. Book now and save time.